Hello. Today we are going on a little solo trip. I'm gonna show you my neighborhood. We head towards the beach and then see what's there. I'm taking my 72 XLCH. My 70 is still waiting for a bearing. Hopefully I'll go pick it up tomorrow. But today it's fun on this little thing. I have made a little mount, wobbly ass mount for this GoPro. I rigged the bottom pad and re-drilled a whole bunch of things so it could fit. So we'll see if we can get some interesting footage. And I can spin it backwards, forwards, angle it. So that should be alright for now. Let's see if I can make it interesting. Yeah, let's go. See you on the road. We have some kind of cube for air in the tires. I'm getting used to checking it all the time. So let's do it. We are here. This is called Ocean Beach. There is lots of ocean beaches in New Zealand, but this is the Ocean Beach in Wairarapa. They often hold here lots of fishing competitions, surf casting comps. I don't know, you can see all the guys down there around the water they're all fishing. I wouldn't mind to go there, but maybe a bit rough with this bike, so we will stick to just to easy gravel. Hey, it's Sunday today, so it's pretty busy. You can go all the way down, and we've been here with adventure bikes all the way down to the coast, and you can go all the way to Wellington if you're lucky. But when I tried it on my Beamer, I ended up in tears because she was just too heavy and just constantly sinking into the sand, into the stones. But there are some adventure boys going now. They were Tenere 700s, T7s. Yeah, I can't exactly do it on this thing. Now when I see them, I'm a bit jealous. I haven't been here on my Beamer in ages. And it's quite a bit of fun to let your rear wheel slide and have a bit of fun. I am not so gangster to go up this hill, and it's all sand up there. They do lots of flips and ups and downs and things, and yeah, it is a quite fun little playground in here. Yeah, I'll see if I can maybe pull the bike over here and go to the beach. Let's have a look. Wow, it's so calm today. The waves are almost non-existent. I don't think I've ever been here where the sea was so calm. It's always howling winds here and blasting, like it's full on. So this is nothing. Wow, it's quite beautiful. There is our little machine over there. Look at her. She's so tiny. She's there. Hello. I don't know if you can see past that car. There is a zoom away. Over there, up here in the hills, it's a little walkway, and right on top, I don't know if you can see the little sign right in the middle of the camera. That's where it's a place called Farrakauhau Estate. It's a accommodation. It's pretty flash accommodation. I think if you want to stay there a night, you have to have a pretty deep pockets, which I do not. But my partner does silk scarves for them, printed with eco-printed with leaves. So on occasion we go there and just walk the perimeter of the trees and their gardens to collect leaves. So we've been able at least to see inside and outside. It's pretty spectacular. I don't have funds to enjoy it as it is meant to, but at least I had the opportunity to have a sneak peek on the inside. So yeah, we want to stay something beautiful and fresh and you have deep pockets. Farrakauhau Estate right up on there with the views over the sea. Farrakauhau Estate! Are you ready? So this is the Ocean Beach. Hopefully you like our place, and let's go back. place called Martingra, do some shopping for lunch, and then we are off home. This is a bikies place. There is lots of cool roads, as you have seen, lots of back roads. You can have a good fun. So yeah, this is a nice little thing. I'm hungry. Are you ready? We are home. Another ride, another something broken. I just noticed that my little rubber mount over there ripped off for the battery. I should have some spare, but I might have to redo these ones or replace them as also. Still haven't fixed the horn, but that's okay. And every single time something breaks. Every ride. Well, I guess that's the joy of old motorcycles, isn't it? Alright, thank you for watching. Have fun out there. Enjoy your riding. See ya in the next one.